Welcome. In front of me is an Gateway Ultra Slim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to update and install drivers on this laptop. So unfortunately this brand doesn't have any standby driver updating tool, so you're gonna have to do it otherwise. You can, the first option is to open the start menu, then go into the settings, application, then give me a moment. Then in the settings application, you're gonna have to select the Windows update option and check if your device has any updates for it by clicking check for updates. As you can see, I already have some updates prepared for me, and if you don't have the updates you need right here on the list, and you can't download and install them by clicking on these options, you can check for advanced options, optional updates, and here in the driver updates you'll be able to see all the drivers for your devices drivers. Now if you want to download some specific updates for your device, then open your web browser, of course connect to the internet first. Open your web browser, go into google.com, and in the search field search for the Gateway drivers. You'll see the Gateway Sport, Gateway USA Zendesk.com website. Open it, and on the following website you'll have to select a model of your device that you're using. Since you're using Ultra Slim laptops, go with the Ultra Slim notebook series. Then something interrupted my connection, I'm sorry. Now select search for the model of your device. If you don't know the model of your device, then let me show you where to find it. It is located on the back cover of your laptop, so let me close the lid real quick and then turn the back cover, bring it closer to you and make it visible for you. And right here next to the model you'll see the model name of your device. Now the BL means blue, which is color, so it doesn't interest us. So basically what we're interested in is the first part, which is GWNR71517, and that's the model name of the laptop. So once you found it, go back to the website, and on this page find the device that you're using and the Windows that you're using. For example, as I just saw, my model name is GWNR71517 and my Windows version is 11, so I'm gonna go with Windows 11 drivers. And on the following page you'll be able to find each of the drivers available for download. So for example, if you want to download the Bluetooth driver for your device, select this Bluetooth driver and wait for the download to start. Press download, then wait until it's fully downloaded. And once it is, go into your file explorer, select the downloads folder or the default folder for your downloads, right click the following file. Let me bring it closer, maybe as far as I can. Right click this file, select extract all, and you can go with the default path. It's basically the same folder. Click next, and then in the following window, open this file, scroll down until you see the setup with an icon next to it. Let me make it more visible. So right here you can see this setup file. Open it, and before you can run it, you'll have to select more info and select run anyway once you see this button below, and select continue. And wait for a while. Okay, click next. And once the install is finished, you can either restart your computer now by clicking the yes option, or restart your computer later by clicking no option, then finish, and then you can restart your computer whenever you want to finish the driver installation. I'm gonna restart my computer now, so I'm gonna go with the yes, then finish, and to wait until my device is restarted and the driver is installed. And at this point the driver update is rather install is complete. So basically that's how you update and install drivers on this PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.